Here's how to get your car title and registration in California. Step by step, no guesswork. A car title proves you own the vehicle. A registration lets you drive it legally on California roads. Without a title, you can't sell your car. Without registration, you face fines or impound. You need both. If you're buying from a dealership, they handle the paperwork. If you're buying from a private seller, that's on you. And California gives you just 10 days to transfer the title and register. Miss that window, late fees. Here's the step-by-step. Step 1, get California auto insurance. You need an active policy before you can register. Step 2, get a smog certification. Most gas vehicles need one. Electric vehicles and older diesels are exempt. Step 3, complete Form RAG 343, the application for title or registration. Download it from the DMV website or grab one at any office. Step 4, gather your documents. The signed title with odometer reading, your California ID, proof of insurance, smog cert, bill of sale. If the title is missing, fill out a Reg 227. Step 5, visit your local DMV. Bring everything. Schedule an appointment online to skip the wait. Step 6, pay the fees. They vary by vehicle value, type, and county. Use the DMV's fee calculator before you go. Your new title arrives by mail in 15 to 30 days. Registration and plates come by mail or at the DMV. Biggest mistakes? Missing the 10-day deadline. Forgetting smog, no proof of insurance, and sellers, file your notice of transfer and release of liability within 5 days, or you're liable for tickets on a car you don't own. The complete California DMV guide is coming soon. Subscribe so you don't miss it.